Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and drape a towel to protect clothing. Measure the tube and developer precisely. Mixing ratios matter for predictable tone. Use a non-metal bowl and an applicator brush so the formula stays stable and won't oxidize. Once mixed, stir until smooth and uniform, no streaks. Make sure to perform a 48-hour patch test before application. This prevents unexpected reactions. Keep timing tools ready and clear a small mirror for checking seams around the hairline. You'll work methodically. Divide hair into 4 to 6 sections and clip them. Apply product to the most resistant areas first, usually roots, and then work toward the mid-lengths and ends unless you're refreshing just the mid-lengths. Use a comb-through motion to distribute the cream evenly and avoid patchy buildup. Once done, smooth excess onto previously coated sections to ensure saturation. Make sure to set a timer and follow the package processing time. Exceeding time can darken the result, while underprocessing yields uneven tone. You stop the process by rinsing with lukewarm water until it runs clear. Avoid shampoo unless directions say so, because shampoo can strip deposited pigments. Then apply the included conditioning treatment, leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes, and detangle gently to lock in shine and moisture. Once dried, inspect in natural light to confirm coverage. If you spot uneven patches, you can do a quick targeted reapply for up to 5 minutes. If irritation or unexpected result occurs, contact a professional or perform a clarifying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.